Praying at night in Ramzan. I heard Allah Messenger Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam say regarding Ramzan, whoever prayed at night in it out of sincere faith and hoping for a reward from Allah, then all the previous sins will be forgiven. Allah Messenger Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, whoever prayed at night the whole month of Ramzan out of sincere faith and hoping for a reward from Allah, then all his precious sins will be forgiven. I went out in the company of Umar bin al-Khattab one night in Ramzan to the masjid and found the people praying in different groups, a man praying alone or a man praying with a little group behind him. So Umar said, in my opinion, I would better collect these under the leadership of one Qari.